Hello, welcome to my video. I'm Monique Taylor and today I'm going to show you how to paint a watercolour duck. This is one of the characters from my roller character video. I'll put the link below. First, I do colour swatches. It helps to know which colours I'm going to use in advance. Watercolour can dry quite quickly, and selecting colours beforehand saves time. And I just love doing swatches of colour. Today I'm using watercolours from Jane Davenport, Winsor & Newton and Daniel Smith. These colours will be quite pale in the final artwork, so here I've added a lot of water. I'm using Buzzy, Pyrrole Orange, Spice, Cerulean, Dioxazine Violet, Raven, Graphite Grey and Apple. I also swatched Perylene Green but changed my mind and ended up using Sodalite instead on the final piece. I always write down the name of the colour that I'm using underneath it, because 9 times out of 10 I forget what it is. Now to paint my character. I start with a plain water wash because watercolour will only go where the water is on your page. Although the duck is white overall, there will be other colours reflected onto the feathers and in the shadows. I'm starting with very watery colours. Remember, it's easier to add colour than to take it away. If you do make a mistake or your colour bleeds, there are 3 ways to fix it. First, dry your brush and make it thirsty and see if you can pick up the colour. Or you could use paper towel to absorb the extra colour. You could even flood the area with water and then use the paper towel to sop it up. Some colours are harder to remove than others, and you'll see that I use these techniques a few times throughout the video. After all, no one is perfect, and happy accidents make your work more interesting. Now to put the finishing touches on, adding some water and some reflections, and my character is finished. This from the author of Say Cheese, The Custard Effect and Frank's Tank. If you'd like to know more and want lots of free resources to help you on your creative journey, you can find me at chasingthejoyartwork.com. Thanks for watching!